Hello. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to solve word problems with factoring. So this problem says that a negative number is 42 less than the square of that negative number. Find that negative number. So first let's write a starting equation. So we have a negative number. Is 42 less than. So something minus 42. And then it's the square of that negative number. So we'll have negative x squared. So now we can simplify. So negative x squared, that can simplify to positive x squared, because if you square a negative number, it becomes positive, and we don't know the value of x for sure. So we can change this equation just to make it x squared minus 42 equals negative x. Now, in order to factor it, we need to put this x right here on this side. So we're going to add x to both sides. So now we get x squared plus x minus 42 equals 0. Now we can factor this. Well, at least start to factor it. So let's find two numbers that multiply. So multiply to 42 and add to 1 because it's 1x. So I see 6 and 7, and so let's see. Negative 6 and 7 would work because negative 6 plus 7 is positive 1, and negative 6 times positive 7 equals negative 42. But negative 7 and positive 6 adds to negative 1, but we need positive 1. So we'll have x squared minus 6x. Remember the x, because we have the x here, we want them to add to 1x. So negative 6x plus 7x minus 42 equals 0. Now we can split this into two parts, okay? Actually, whoopsies. Let's do this. So we could split this part. We could split this right down the middle, okay? So now we'll get here x squared minus 6x, and then we'll get here 7x minus 42. And now we can here take out we could take out x on both terms, so we'll have x on the outside, and then x squared divided by x is x, and then bring down the minus sign. Then 6x divided by x, the x's cancel out, so you get 6. Now here you have, this is positive 7, so you're going to put plus. Here you could take out that 7, and then you're left with x, bring down the minus, and 42 divided by 7 is 6. So now you can combine these two terms, and you get x plus 7, whoopsies, that was a bad 7, x plus 7 times x minus 6, right? So here, well, let's write it over here so we have more space. So we had, what was it, x plus 7 and x minus 6, right? Yeah. So 7 and 6. So let's see. If we make this number negative, because it's supposed to be a negative number, we'll have negative 7, say a negative 6. Alright. So it says here, a negative number is 42 less than the square. Let's just make some little notes. So it's a negative number. It's 42 less than the square. Let's see what else. That's it. Okay. Oh, square of that negative number. Alright. So, negative number, we have that. Now let's see. Negative 7 squared is 49. And so this number should be 42 less than its squared. 49 minus 42, that's positive 7. So negative 7 can't be an option. Now let's check out negative 6. Negative 6 squared is 36. And 36 minus 42. Well, let's see. 36 plus 6 is 42, so that's negative 6. So negative 6 is our answer. So the answer to this question, find that negative number so that x equals negative 6. Alright, so basically I just saw like when they squared, and then I subtracted 42 to see if that negative number would equal the square minus 42. See, this one it should have been negative 7, but it equaled positive 7. This one, it should have been negative 6, and it equaled negative 6. So that's how I knew it was correct, just if there was any confusion. So, yeah, that was solving word problems with factoring. I hope you learned something, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you next time.